You know that painful feeling. You wrote JAMB, smashed it with a 280 or 290, and you thought, village people have finally lost my address. You started receiving congratulations from family members, thinking university admission was already sealed. Then post-UTME results dropped and your name wasn't anywhere near the merit list. If that happened to you, or if you're dreading it, listen to me. It is almost never because you didn't read. You failed because you walked straight into hidden traps built right inside the exam itself. For the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you all three and exactly how to walk past them. Here's the brutal truth nobody is telling you. Post-UTME is not JAMB Round 2. It's written by your specific school, marked by their lecturers, and built to brutalize a massive crowd. We're talking 30,000 people fighting for just 5,000 slots. So the questions are deliberately designed to punish the exact study habits that gave you high marks in JAMB. If you prep for post-UTME like it's JAMB, you're setting yourself up for heartbreak. Trap 1. Ignoring your school's actual past questions. Using general JAMB past questions here is a setup. Every university has its own stubborn personality and pattern. Unilag wants pure speed under pressure. UI wants deep academic theory, not surface cramming. OAU loves throwing random general knowledge and trick questions at you. If you're reading blindly without checking what your school loves, you're fighting a blind enemy. Fix it. Go find the past questions for your specific school and run through at least 3 years of them under strict test conditions. Trap 2, the speed trap. Some of these schools will give you 25 minutes to answer 40 questions, less than a minute per question. Brilliant students still fail simply because they got stuck on question 15, panicked, and ran out of time before seeing the easiest questions at the back. Fix it. Practice with a timer set 10% shorter than the real exam. If they give you 30 minutes, train with 27. When you encounter a tough question during practice, force yourself to skip it immediately. By the time you enter the CBT hall, time will feel slow. Trap 3, forgetting the screening score formula. Admission isn't just your post-UTME score alone, it's a mathematical blend of JAMB, post-UTME, and sometimes your O-level grading. Some schools use a strict 50-50 split, others do 60-40 in favor of JAMB, and a few even grade your O-level sittings. Fix it. Figure out your school's exact aggregate formula today. Calculate the exact score you need to hit last year's departmental cutoff and turn that number into your daily target. Let's break down a quick example so you see how this changes your mindset. Say your school uses 50% JAM and 50% post-UTME, and last year's cutoff for your course was 70. If you scored 260 in JAMB, that's already 65 points in the bag. That means you only need a 75 in post-UTME to scale through safely. Suddenly, you're not just reading hard blindly, you're hunting down a specific number. You know your exact target, and that changes everything about your focus. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Drop your dream school and course in the comments right now, and I'll reply with what their post-UTME is notoriously known for. Let's get you into school.